Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find IBAN number on NatWest. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's start our video. So for that matter, it is a very easy process for you to do so. So just have to first access your NatWest app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, here in this section you're going to find all of the accounts that you have done transfers to, pay, and etc. Right, first thing would be for you to simply access the particular account for which you would like to see their IBAN number. Once you have tapped on the particular account, you will be able to find this option, settings option of it. Once you have tapped on the settings option, it will simply show you with an option within the menu is like view account details, which will simply let you to see the account's IBAN number, including all of the extra information as well. So as I mentioned before, it is simply easy. You have to first know which account you would like to see. Once you have access to that account, then you will tap on settings, which includes the option of viewing activity. And if you would like to do on the official website of NatWest as well, it is goes the same. Get logged in on the website and simply choose the particular account you would like to see the IBAN number for of, and simply tap on this view account information, and then you will be able to see the IBAN number of it. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.